Hey everyone, I just found a new viral YouTube niche that's getting insane views right now. People are engaging like crazy. The best part, you don't need to upload tons of videos to getting traction. Just under 20 videos itself, it's getting over 200 million views that I will show you in this video. Sound exciting, right? But here's the real kicker. What if I told you I will show you exactly how you can create the video for this viral niche in under 5 minutes using AI Magic Studio? And what if I show you the brand new YouTube channel that I have uploaded the video what I have generated, which got over 350 plus views in an overnight with the likes and even subscribers too. And also I'm going to give you the exact script what I have used to make that video. Before we dive in, what do you think this viral niche could be? Please use the comments and share your thoughts. And also, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. And if you are already a subscriber for my channel, please share this video to your friends and family and don't forget to like this video. Alright, the viral niche is that animal fights and comparison. There are channels like this versus Jew, which is pulling over 200 million views for just 11 videos, and also it has a 683k subscribers. Like that, see this channel, it has 35.7k subscribers and 8 million views for just 19 videos, and those videos also only a shorts video, right? You see, only the shorts videos are there. I spent some time and trying to figure out the pattern of all of these videos and why these videos are getting this much views. Here's the patterns they follow. Two animals are introduced, a battle scene is shown, the stronger animals stands and the weaker animals falls. And it has no voiceover and just simple text and overlaid with some exciting background musics. It's super simple, yet it works. If you were to create a video in this niche, which two animals would you make fight first? Drop your ideas in the comments. Let me play shortly one of the videos on this channel to understand the pattern yourself. And this is the new tiny channel that I have used to create and upload the video exactly in the same pattern what I have explained just before. So if you see, I just uploaded only 2 videos, right? So this videos I have uploaded yesterday night, and this video I just uploaded today, and you see from yesterday night in a overnight this video got 400 views, and it also got around 13 likes, and I have got few subscribers also. Let me play this video first. Now let me show you how I have created this video using AIMagicStudio. So now I'm inside the AIMagicStudio. As you see, I have given some bunch of text here. These texts are the prompt to generate the video for you. Of course, this text is not necessary, but to tell the AIMagicStudio to stick the video creation process in a specific way, we need to give the instruction to the AIMagicStudio to follow those instructions. So here, why I'm giving this instruction, because the viral niche what we are speaking right now, as I mentioned, it has just introducing the two animals in a fierce battle scene, and in the next slide it's just showing the strongest animal in stand-up and weakest animal in fallen, right? So this is the pattern I figured out through by analyzing those channels, and I have written the instruction to create the video exactly like that pattern. So I will give you this niche instruction. I will give you this instruction to you in the description video. You can get it and create the video on your own, right? So here, after I'm providing instruction, just provide the keyword, and I just select a none in the voiceover selection. I don't need any voiceover, and make sure you choose only use AI image, right? Then simply select the video dimension as YouTube Shorts, and just simply click the submit. That's it. So once you click the submit, what it will happen, AIMagicStudio will follow the instructions what you have provided, and it will create the AI image of two fierce animals, and it will create the close-up AI image of the strongest animals in standing up mode and weakest animal in down below that animal. Like that, AI images will be created, and it will use the same instructions what you have provided here, and it will stitch all the slides together and create the video. Once the video has generated, you will see this video editor. So in this video editor, until and unless if you want to change or if you want to tweak anything what that AIMagicStudio has created, you can simply press the preview and view the video and render the video, and once the video is rendered, you can download the video as a MP4 format. But if you want to tweak the video something else, you can use this video editor, choose the slides where you want to edit this. I'm not going to talk about much about this video editor, because I already talked much about how to use this video editor, what kind of tweak you can do this in one of my video, and I have given that video information card in upper to that section and down below this video also. That's the power of finding right niche in a right time. The YouTube algorithm will love to push your videos to the more general public. If this kind of growth excites you, imagine where your channel could be in a month of time if you start today. Are you going to give it a shot? Tell me in comments. If you want to replicate this strategy, here's what you need to do. Click the link in the description to get your AIMagicStudio account for free. Use the same prompts that I used to create videos effortlessly. Upload them to YouTube Shorts and watch your views skyrocket. What's stopping you to trying this from today? Let me know in the comments. I will personally reply to help you to get started in this. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to smash that like button, and please subscribe to get more AI hack video like this in near future. And let me know in the comments what animals you would like to see in the next battle. See you in the next video. Bye bye.